Betrayal can leave deep scars, often resulting in a condition known as betrayal PTSD. While traditional therapies have their merits, unconventional techniques are gaining recognition for their effectiveness in healing this unique form of trauma. Today, we'll explore 7 unconventional techniques that have shown promising results in helping individuals overcome betrayal PTSD. First, we have the emotional freedom technique. This approach combines elements of cognitive therapy with acupressure, involving tapping on specific points of the body while focusing on negative emotions. Many survivors report significant reductions in anxiety and intrusive thoughts after practicing it regularly. Next is eye movement desensitization and reprocessing. This technique involves guided eye movements while recalling traumatic memories. Although initially developed for combat-related PTSD, this technique has shown remarkable efficacy in processing betrayal-related trauma, helping survivors reframe their experiences and reduce emotional distress. The third technique is somatic experiencing. This body-focused approach helps individuals release trapped trauma energy through physical sensations. By paying attention to bodily responses and gently guiding the release of stored tension, many find relief from the physical manifestations of betrayal PTSD. Fourth on our list is neurofeedback. This technology-based method uses real-time displays of brain activity to teach self-regulation of brain function. For those struggling with betrayal PTSD, neurofeedback can help retrain the brain to respond more calmly to triggering situations. Fifth, we have art therapy. Creating art provides a nonverbal outlet for expressing complex emotions associated with betrayal. Whether through painting, sculpting, or collage making, art therapy offers a safe space for survivors to process their experiences and find healing. The sixth technique is equine-assisted therapy. Interacting with horses in a therapeutic setting can help rebuild trust, improve self-esteem, and develop healthy boundaries, all crucial elements in recovering from betrayal PTSD. Lastly, forest bathing, a practice originating from Japan, involves immersing oneself in nature. This technique has shown to reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall well-being, providing a gentle yet powerful tool for those healing from betrayal. These 7 unconventional techniques offer hope and alternative pathways to healing for those struggling with betrayal PTSD. While each person's journey to recovery is unique, these methods provide diverse options for addressing the complex layers of betrayal trauma. Remember, healing is possible, and with the right tools and support, survivors can reclaim their lives and move forward with renewed strength and resilience.